Hi, I'm Jennifer Fox with MusicTeacherResources.com, and today I'm going to be sharing music teacher tip number 16. So today I wanted to share what I do when I do lesson schedules. If you are like me, I kind of liken putting together the schedule for fall like putting together a puzzle. Sometimes it's like my brain just wants to explode. I'm like, trying to, make the puzzle pieces fit just right. So it's kind of a pain in the neck, as you know. But one thing that I do that does help, that I can help know exactly what my families can do or not do, and they don't give me just that one time or day that will work, is I created a form many years ago. And what I like to do is I have them fill out every single time and day that I teach, and I do it in 15-minute increments. So the reason I do that is I don't teach every 15 minutes, but I have my schedule laid out every 15 minutes because I take the earliest time someone can do, and that's my starting time for that afternoon or for the morning or whatever. So I always take the earliest that somebody could come to lessons, and that's my starting time. And that's worked really well for me for that. And then I also have them choose three choices for each of those 15-minute increments. So a frowny face, when I was doing a PDF file, is frowny face, and then just a straight face, and then a smiley face. So frowny face means this time is not going to work at all. Straight face means it's okay, not our first choice or anything, not the best, but we can make it work. And then a happy face is, yes, this will work. We will be able to come on this day and time. So fast forward, this was years ago that I did this with the printable for a PDF file, and I'll share a link to that if you would like this printout that you can use or base yours off of. That's fine. So what I do now is I actually go into Google Forms and I created a form so they don't have smiley faces, darn it. So instead I have them check 1, 2, and 3. So 1 is yes, they can do it, no problem. 2 is okay, it's fine, I can make it work, but it's not my ideal. And then 3 is no, that's not going to work at all. So then they just click on the form 1, 2, or 3, and they have to go down the form and do the entire thing. They cannot, I make it so they can't skip any days and times, because I want them to really consider all of them and figure out what will work. And that has really worked well for me. Over the years, it still continues to work. Now, I can't promise that you still can't. We'll have to put a puzzle together. Sometimes there are years where I still have to do that. One other question that I do mention at the very top of the form is the very first question I ask is, will your current day and time work for you next year? And if they say yes, then I try to just keep them in that spot. But every once in a while, I'll have to juggle to make things work. But it's just helpful to know that, okay, shoot, I'm going to have to juggle this person somewhere else because they have a conflict this coming year. So who can switch with them? So then I'm able to do that a little bit easier. So I just wanted to share what works for me, and you can download the PDF. Again, I'll put the link in the description for the PDF. And I am making my online form available to copy and use the template so you can edit it as you see fit. You can delete times or add times, or delete days and add days, whatever you want. But if you want to save time, you can do that. So that is my freebie for this summer. I'm going to just keep that up all summer long. So to grab that, just make sure you go to musiceducatorresources.com and sign up to be part of my email list. And I'll be sharing the password for that so you can download that. I'll share it throughout the month, so you'll get that. All right, I hope that helps, and I hope you have a great summer. Bye.